Today, we're looking at the newest light in Profoto's arsenal, the A10. We're here at the track to capture some outdoor portraits and a few action shots with the A10 to see how powerful this little light is. The A10 is the follow-up to the popular A1X light with one very noticeable upgrade. The A10 features AirX, Profoto's Bluetooth connectivity for syncing the light with iOS devices. We're going to be using the A10 with a combination of triggers on a mirrorless camera, but thanks to AirX, we can now capture shots using the Profoto camera app right on the iPhone. We can turn the Bluetooth functionality on in the menu of the A10, open the Profoto camera app, and sync up instantly. Inside the camera app, you get control over your camera to alter white balance, exposure, shutter, and more. Having the ability to connect the A10 directly to your phone opens up a world of creativity for phone photographers that has not been available until now. Connectivity with Android will be coming with a future firmware update. If you've ever used the A1X, then the A10 will seem very familiar to you. With the A10, you have the same 76 watt-second energy rating and the ability to shoot 450 full-power flashes on a single battery charge. The charge time for a battery is still just under 2 hours, and it will recycle in just 1 second. This feature will come in handy when every second on your shoot matters. The head can tilt 90 degrees and rotate 360 degrees. It's a sunny day, so we'll be utilizing the A10 to fill in some shadows to even out our subject. Depending on your subject and focal length, you can dial in the beam angle of the light by rotating the dial on the flash head. A display on the menu will show you how wide or narrow the angle is. A wider angle will cover more of your subject, and a narrow angle will focus the light on a particular spot. Additionally, we're using one of the magnetic Profoto click accessories, the dome, to help soften up the light just a bit and get us a nice spread of light to help with the shadows. The dome comes with the light, so you can use a modifier right out of the box. Just place it right on the light and it will magnetically snap into place. For these setups, we're primarily using the Profoto Air remote, but the A10 can also be used with a Profoto Connect transmitter. This little guy can provide wireless control with Air TTL and high-speed sync. Having the ability to use automatic exposure and higher shutter speeds opens up a world of possibilities and the ability to work fast. This little pocket transmitter is a simple and effective tool for controlling your A10. So much so that Profoto created a bundled kit consisting of the A10 and the Connect transmitter so you can start shooting as soon as you open the box. When the A10 is off the camera, it can be moved around quite easily. With the battery attached, it weighs just over a pound. Just like its predecessor, the A10 has 20 wireless channels in 6 groups. Groups A, B, and C have full manual and TTL control. Groups D, E, and F are for manual control only. On the side of the light, you'll find a USB port for firmware updates. You can also update the firmware through Bluetooth. On the opposite side is the TTL manual switch for quickly switching between the modes when the A10 is mounted to your camera's hot shoe. When the light is off camera, you can switch the light into TTL mode right from your transmitter. The A10 also has built-in twin LED modeling lights to help with focusing and to see how the light will fall off your subject. Continuous light can be used as well, and there is a flicker-free option so it can be used for video. Even on a bright, sunny day, the power and portability of the A10 allowed us to make a variety of images quickly and easily. The A10 packs a lot of power into a small package, and with the new addition of Bluetooth, the door is wide open for creators of all kinds to start utilizing their smart devices to make content. And if you're going the traditional route, the A10 is compatible with Sony, Nikon, Canon, and Fujifilm camera systems. What do you plan on making with the new Profoto A10? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.